In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix Studio to GitHub. By the end, you'll have your Wix Studio project securely linked to your GitHub account, so your code changes can be tracked, shared, and versioned with confidence. I'll keep it simple, walk you through each click, and offer a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the option labeled Code. This is where Wix Studio centralizes all developer tools. Clicking Code reveals the development panel, which is designed to help you manage your project's backend files, functions, and integrations in one place. Within that panel, select GitHub. This section is dedicated to source control, letting you integrate your project with a GitHub repository for versioning and collaboration. If you're used to working locally with Git, think of this as the bridge that brings those best practices directly into your Wix workflow. Next, click Connect to GitHub. This will open a GitHub authorization window. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in to your GitHub account. Make sure you're using the account that should own or manage the repository connected to your Wix project. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. It's normal for GitHub to request it here. After signing in, GitHub will ask you to confirm that Wix Studio can access your account. Review the permissions so you understand what Wix Studio will be able to do on your behalf. Then, approve the connection. This confirmation step finalizes the handshake between Wix Studio and GitHub and ensures everything is authorized securely. That's it. Once confirmed, you should see that Wix Studio recognizes the GitHub connection in the editor. From here, you're set up to work with source control right from your site's environment. If something doesn't look right, like the connect button reappearing or an error message, try refreshing the editor, double-checking that you're signed into the correct GitHub account, or ensuring pop-ups weren't blocked during the authorization. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your GitHub credentials secure and avoid sharing access you don't intend to grant. If you collaborate with a team, make sure everyone knows which GitHub account owns the connection to prevent confusion. And remember, connecting to GitHub gives you a clear history of your code changes, making it easier to experiment confidently and roll back if needed. You've now connected Wix Studio to GitHub with just a few clicks. Nice work.